Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox error starting game easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here control panel, click on it, and then once you're here, and first you need to click here and make it small icons, and now once you're here, just click network and sharing center, and after that click this one, change adapter settings, and here right click on internet and then click properties, and here click on this one and click properties. Once you're here, click use the following DNS server addresses. Now just make it like that and click OK, and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.